In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with using Xero Expenses. Whether you're managing a small business or handling your personal finances, knowing how to navigate expenses effectively is crucial. Xero Expenses makes it straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you're fully equipped to handle your expenses with confidence. First, we begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top bar and click on the Purchases tab. This is where you'll manage all your expense-related transactions, a central hub for keeping everything organized and within view. Clicking this will take you to a new page that outlines all current purchase records. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled New Expense. Clicking this initiates the process of recording a new spending transaction. You'll be presented with several options, and for the purpose of this demonstration, choose Expense Claim. This feature is particularly useful for instances where you've spent personal funds on behalf of your business or need to record miscellaneous expenses quickly. Now that you're in the Expense Claim window, you have two primary options for documenting your expenditure. You can begin by uploading an image of your expense receipt directly into the system. This is a fantastic feature for maintaining an accurate digital record. You might find this particularly useful after a client lunch or travel expenses where you have physical receipts. If uploading an image isn't an option, or if you prefer to do things manually, you can enter the details yourself. This includes filling in the date, merchant, and amount spent, ensuring all information matches the original receipt. After entering the details, you'll need to categorize the expense correctly by selecting the appropriate account for the transaction. This ensures that when you review your expenses later, they are properly classified under your company's accounting structure. Common categories might include travel, supplies, or entertainment. Once everything is in order, you have the option to save, submit, or approve the expense. Saving allows you to keep a draft if you're waiting for more information before completing the submission. Submitting locks in the details and forwards it for approval if necessary, and approving makes it an official part of your records. Submitting or approving the expense is essential for capturing it in your reports. Finally, once the expense is submitted or approved, it will appear on your list of expenses, along with all the others you've recorded. This makes tracking and managing your expenses over time simple and efficient. With everything organized, you have a clear view of your finances and a better handle on your financial management. And that wraps up our guide on starting out with Xero Expenses. With these tools and processes, you're well on your way to managing your expenses efficiently and effectively. Happy bookkeeping!